This video primarily demonstrates the standard trim operation in CoProcess software. Standard trim, after selecting reference objects, it activates and trims the intersecting portions of vector objects in the drawing relative to the reference objects. Click Vector greater than and greater than trim greater than standard trim. In the viewport, select reference objects multiple selections supported. Right-click and select Confirm or press Enter to confirm the selection set. In the viewport, click to select the portion of the vector object intersecting with the reference object that needs trimming. This trims that section of the vector object. Multiple trimming operations are supported. Standard trimming also supports selecting vectors first, then clicking the Standard Trim button. This designates the selected vectors as reference objects and initiates the standard trimming function.